To create multiple pages at once, I first select my parent page, right-click, and then select Create Multiple Pages. I now have the ability to mass create 5 pages. In my example, I only wish to create 3 new pages. However, if I want to create more than 5, I just select Add More Lines. Note that any new pages that don't have a title set are automatically discarded. Also note that on the right-hand side, I have the option to change what types of pages I'm about to create. Right now, I'm creating standard pages. However, I also have the option to create other types of pages, including a back-end user section, a shortcut, or a folder. Before I go ahead and create my new pages, I'm going to select the Hide New Pages checkbox. By selecting this option, my new pages will be disabled, meaning my newly created pages won't be visible to visitors who are viewing my site. And that's how we create multiple pages all at once in TYPO3 version 13.